I'm rich, biatch!
Happy August 1st. Means the end of July. So we're going to go through the 17 dividend payments we received in the Roth IRA. It's only 17, so I only got paid every other day. So like paid Monday, then paid Wednesday, then paid Friday, something like that, every other day. So we'll go through them real quick. July 1st, Coca-Cola, 96 cents. Iron Mountain, 31 cents. Iron Mountain again, $2.47. AGNC, $1.08. Main Street Capital, 5 cents. O Realty, 50 cents. Main Street Capital, 82. Medical Properties, $1.83. Prospect, 6 cents. Prospect 15.18. It's a big one. GE, 17 cents. New York Mortgage Trust, $6 or $2.69. New York struggling right now, still paying me. Shaw Communication, 49 cents. Gladstone, 75 cents. SPHD, $12.78. PGX, 49 cents. 17 payments. Let's see here. $41.26. While I just let my $12,000 sit there, holding the shares, getting paid the dividends, just sitting there doing nothing. Let's say we never add any more money. I put in $12,000. It pays me every month. The low when I started was $16 a month. My high 2 months ago, I think it was like $60 if you go back and watch the other videos. Now it's sitting at $41. Some companies pay monthly, some pay quarterly, some pay annually. I hold over 30 different companies. I get paid almost every day or every other day. Very consistent flow of income. But let's say we never add anything. We only make $41.26 for the next 12 months. Pay every month. Times 12. $495 a year. If I never add any money, nothing ever happens with the stock market. It never goes up. $500 a year almost. Well, let's say, saving it for retirement, say I retire early at 55. 30 years old, 55, 25 more years of payments. That'd be another $12,000. But we're going to add money every year. I just can't add money until 2021. $2019, $6,000. 2020, $6,000. That's our real money into the account. It's only worth $12,000 because of the corona. But it still pays me. And all it does with all of this money, every other day money, is once it hits $25, it buys more stock. Bought 4. Bought Gladstone, it bought Intel, it bought Las Vegas, just came back from Las Vegas. Bought AT&T. I'm not taking the money out. It's all for retirement in the future. I just let it sit there and collect my money. For the next 25 years, hopefully. 30 years old, 25 more, I'll be about 55. So, we have a current balance of $12,000. Next year, the most I can contribute is $6,000. I'll probably get around 10% per year for the next 25 years. 30 years old, I'd like to retire at 55. Tax rate. I've never paid less than 25% taxes. I just pay a lot in taxes. Inflation rate, 3%. Calculate. Overall balance when I'm 55 will be $720,000 hopefully. Go down, Roth IRA, the middle column, compares it to just saving principal or regular taxable account. So, 54, the final year, when I'm 54, it'll have roughly $650,000 in it. Once I'm 54, that 1 year growth to 55 when I'd like to retire will be about $70,000 because of those payments. It's going to be a huge dollar amount instead of 50 cents a day, $1 a day, 5 cents a day. You saw them, some of them are low. 63 cents, but I only have $12,000 working for me. In the future, it'll be $100 every day, $200 every day. But I can't add anything till 2021. Got $18 sitting in there now. We can look at the biggest loser real quick. Apple is the strongest performer, Microsoft, Home Depot. GE is the biggest loser. Paid me this month though. Las Vegas, also the biggest loser, paid me this same month. I think Gladstone might have been in there paying me this month too. And AT&T, it paid this month, I think. I mean, all big, technically losing money. But I have more than the original $12,000 I put in. But like I said, technically losing money. That is a negative number, negative number, negative number, negative number, negative number. But then this one's positive, 93%. Fuck me, right? Should have picked more Apple. These are all positive numbers. These are all negative numbers. And now there's nothing I can do but wait until the end of August, September 1st. I'll get to check all my numbers again, see how we're doing. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.
They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changing, look, we made